And go.
You should get a close up of like me like dipping it in.
All right.
You good?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's just like a regular apple pie.
That's awesome.
This is ridiculous.
I think we just created the greatest invention in the world, guys.
College edition.
This should be like an annual thing.
I think we should win that prize for the microwave
I
chef.
think we should.
We should go out there right now, knocking
Yeah,
Alex's
we
door and be
should
like,
go back and
taste
be like, we can test.
this.
Okay.
What time is it?
I don't care. Because we're making apple pie.
It's 11:30. So that means it only took us 2.5 hours.
Essentially.
Look at this beautifulness right here. This is ridiculous. Oh my god, look at that. This looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that apple.
Who wants to try?
Who wants to die first?
Yep.
There we go, round 2. Oh my god. Toasty.
All made in a microwave.
Everything was made. Oatmeal and then apples. I made syrup out of the sugar and
This is
water.
probably like, not that like, not healthy. Actually no, we put a lot of sugar into this, never mind.
The sugar is the unhealthy part, but honestly, like, there's no fat, no milk.
Oh, we didn't need to add milk, did we?
No.
Yeah, this is healthy. Okay, hold on. Take a picture of that.
Alright.
I'll send that to my friend and be like, yo, look at this.